Hi there everyone, it's Gloria Cromer from Oakville, Canada, and today we are going to be making this cute little card here. It's a quick and easy card, so you'll see. Okay, so we're going to get started. This is the gray, I can't remember which gray, I think it was this basic gray, and I've cut it to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and then we have 2 strips of DSP. These are 4 by 1 1/4, and then we have this piece here, and I'm just going to measure it because I can't remember. It's 2 1/2 by 8, and it's scored at 4 inches. So let's get started. Now I found with this card the easiest way to start is to put down the DSP. So with the DSP we're going to sort of eyeball it and just give ourselves about 1/8 of an inch from the sides here. Sort of like a border. And then this piece goes right in the center. But we're going to add that after we go and add everything else. So with our little ice cream cone here, I've put it on dimensionals. And in fact, I think I've popped up everything on this card. So I just thought it would be fun to just pop everything up. This one is a very simple card. So just popping up the elements just looks better, I think. Oops, I think I can move it over just a little. Now we're going to add our ice cream. And because I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator, I use almost exclusively Stampin' Up products, but these little silver dots are not Stampin' Up. I found these at the dollar store and I really like them, so that's why I decided to use these. These are for the sprinkles on my ice cream. And my theme this week for the cards were masculine cards. So this is my masculine birthday card. It's not super masculine, but I think it's okay. Okay, we're gonna stamp our sentiment, and I'm gonna use Bermuda Bay. I think you could also use Blackberry Bliss. You could use the gray if you wanted to. And I'm gonna use the Happy Birthday sentiment from Peaceful Moments. And it doesn't matter that it's a little crooked because I'm gonna trim it. and trim it from my card. If you don't like fussy cutting or trimming, you can always just leave it. But I find this kind of trimming isn't too bad because you don't have to be exactly precise. So I'm just going to pop that up. And I'm going to use a large dot or large dimensional. And then with my balloons, I'm going to pop them up as well. I'm going to put a large one on the back of this big one. And a small one on the smaller one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a marker and I'm just going to draw those. And now we're ready to mount that on. And remember, you're going to give yourself, line that up to the bottom. And there you go. And then you have lots of, you have a little bit of space on the back and in here to write. If you wanted to write more stuff, you could put a sheet of white cardstock on the back, and you could write more. So there you go. Thanks again for joining me. Happy Tuesday and have an awesome week.